Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unboxing of CC camera. So after watching this video, you will know about everything about this CC camera. Hoping that you will understand. And so without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So let's open the box. This is the intelligent camera on VIF YYST Wi-Fi audio. Okay, and it's selling in the below the mobile phone network camera, and it will support iPhone, iOS, and it will support the Android also. Okay, so let's open our bag. So just wait for a moment. So I'm opening the box of this camera. Okay, so from here, first of all, I'll open. Now you can see here is some manual, maybe this one. Here is a QR code available. This is for iPhone and this is for Android. Okay, and after this, you can see here is a camera right here. You can see here is a it's giving me some password also and ID also. Okay, then after this, inside the box, maybe here is a charger also. Okay, here is charger and adapter, and here is some stand, and I think here is also some stand clips, and here some screw. Okay, so this is all the stuff which is available inside this box. So let's start to connect. So now I'm going to connect the power adapter to this web camera. Before, I'm going to tell you, now you can see here is some important ports available. The first of all is Ethernet port. Okay, you from here you have to give Ethernet, so internet, and from here you can use a micro SD card. Okay, SD card, and here you have to give your power. Okay, but to use this camera you need internet. Internet is necessary because this is a Wi-Fi camera. You can check, you can control from anywhere your camera. Okay, so first of all I'm going to give the power, and now you can see it's rotating, right? It's rotating, but in this time I don't have Ethernet cable, so I'm not connecting to internet, and I'm not inserting any SD card also, but it's working right now. So I think this is very useful web camera. You can also try this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you in another video, and if you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to buy this product, you can check the link in the description also. So once again, thank you so much, and I'll meet with you another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye, see you again.